guys can hear me. Adonis_POV. Follow my new Instagram, like I said, Adonis_POV. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. There's gonna be more content. I do everything. I'm vlog, motorcycle content, mechanic work, detail work, all types of stuff, bro. Like I'm gonna do new stuff too that hasn't been seen before. Manhunt, baseball stuff, basketball, whatever. I'm doing everything, man. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Just like that. Just like that. Are we recording still? Yeah. What's up? All right. So just like that. This is my bike, my beautiful CBR 600. A lot of people gonna be like, "Oh, 600 is just a 600, bro. 600 is enough, bro." I don't know why people say. And I'm not saying that because this is my like my first real street bike, because I drove dirt bikes before, ATVs, and you know, it's your first bike. That's why it feels fast to you now. And I already had it for like over. Like 2 months already, 3 months, and every time I get on it, it's enough power, man. I don't need more of that. This shit gaps already. All if you're into cars before this, like cars before motorcycles, you understand when you get on something like this. Like obviously if you went into motorcycles first, then obviously this is probably gonna be slow to you because you were never into cars before. So when you get into start off with motorcycles instead, motorcycles are always gonna be faster out of the box over a car. For example, an 890 Supra. You see my cousin's freaking 891 Supra, I gapped it like nothing. That's because bikes are lighter, and even if this makes like 97 horsepower, that's enough power to put down to beat cars that are freaking 12 seconds or 11.9 seconds. You know what I'm saying? This is basically a 12-second bike, 11.9 whatever, 12-second bike off the box. You know what I'm saying? No tune, no nothing. So you know what I'm saying? Like, so for people to say that this is slow, it makes no freaking sense to me at all. If it's slow, then I don't really care for your opinion, to be honest, man. This is gonna be the realest channel there is gonna be out there. Don't really care about anybody's opinion. Don't care about your bike is faster, the 1000 is faster, the 750 is faster, the 13, the Hayabusa H2R. Don't care. This is my bike. This is my vlog. This is my channel, and this is my real honest opinion, bro. If you're gonna get into bikes, get a 600. and you're gonna love it, bro. Trust me, you're not gonna need more than that. This is plenty of power to gap everything in the street. Obviously, if you're mobbing with motorcycles that are thousands and 1300s, and obviously they're gonna be faster in the straight, but this could be way faster in the corners because they're lighter than the thousands and whatever and so on. So it's a pretty light bike. Corners real good, man. The only thing that if I were to change this bike for something, then it'll probably be like a R1, just because it's more focused on a track bike, and I like taking corners fast, so I don't care about that straight line speed, to be honest. So that's why I say the 600 is enough, because you could, in the corners, you could keep up with anybody, bro. In the straight line, I don't really care about that straight line thing no more. I used to care about it when I had my Supra, my Scat Pack, and all my other cars that I had on my channel that you guys could literally scroll back and see. But nah, I don't like that straight line shit. I'm more into cornering, drifting, stuff like that. That's more me. And this is plenty of straight line speed. It's fun, the adrenaline is good, and you still could get yourself killed in this. And 1,000 and so on, you just more something more faster to get yourself killed in. But anyways, like I said, follow my new Instagram. I just made a new Instagram account literally today. It's Adonis_POV. I'll be posting new content very soon. I'm gonna try to make new content. It's gonna be everything. Like, I'm not just doing cars and motorcycle stuff no more, or mechanic work. I'm gonna try to do everything. I want to beat the channel to be more universal. You know what I'm saying? Comedy, funny, manhunt stuff. You know what I'm saying? Adult manhunt. Stuff like that. Pranks and all that shit. I'm gonna do more videos like that. But yeah, definitely gonna be more videos on the motorcycle. Obviously, as long as any car I own or any motorcycle I own, I'll make videos of it. But stay tuned for the fun content. All right, peace.